Okay, guys, let's get this brought up here. We're going to play a Guess My Word game. So if you have gotten, get rid of this thing right here. If you have gotten this mat right here that has all the lovely little squares and the smiley face and all that stuff on it, and you want to flip it over to the back, you can use it like a marker board, and you can get your marker out and use it like that. So when we do all of our word talk and stuff, and I say, hey, write this word down and we're going to talk about it, you can totally do it on the back of this mat, and I'll be doing some of that with you next week. So the first thing we do when we play Guess That Word is we make a little cloud at the top. Make your cloud. Okay. Then in your cloud, I want you to write these letters. I want you to write an O. I want you to write an L. I want you to write an X. And I want you to write an S. It's going to be kind of like the letters are going to rain down out of the sky. Write an O, L, X, and S. That's hard to say. Okay, here's your first mystery word. And if you need to pause me and get this done, go for it. So your first mystery word looks like this. There's a blank line, an I, and a D. Okay, here's your clue. This goes on top of a pot when you cook. It goes on top of a pot. Take one of these letters, rain it down, fill in your missing letter, and make a word. It goes on top of a pot. Okay, if you're not ready for me to give you the answer yet, you better pause me because I'm about to. The letter that you should have brought down out of the cloud was L. Id. Lid is our mystery word. Lid goes on top of a pot when you cook. Okay, erase. Here is your next mystery word. Okay, you will play with this on the playground. I made it kind of tricky. You can play with this on the playground. Pick a letter that you think goes. Write it down. Okay, pause me if you're not ready yet because I'm about to give away the answer. All right, you will play with a pal on the playground. So, hey, we brought down that L again. You will play with a pal on the playground. All right, erase. Here's your next mystery word. Your next mystery word is, hang on just 1 minute. Give me just a second. Just a second, guys. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I had a phone call I had to answer. That worked just good for you, though, because you were doing your mystery words, weren't you? Okay, here's your next one. Write this down with me. You got F-O and then a missing letter. So here's your clue. This is a type of animal. Use one of these letters to finish the word. It's a type of animal. All right, if you don't have it yet, which you probably don't, go ahead and pause me and then play me when you're ready because I'm about to give the answer. So actually it was X. A kind of animal is a fox. Fox. Okay. Erasing. Here's your next one. I'm going to do this one a little bit different. I think you guys already know where I'm going with this. How would you make that more than one mop? How would you make it more than one mop? More than one mop. Okay, if you don't know yet, pause me because I'm about to give away the answers. Pause me, play me when you're ready. Here we go. It was S. Remember, suffix S means more than one. So we've got more than one mop. We had a big mess. We needed more than one mop. Mops. Ooh, and that was an unvoiced suffix S. Mops. Unvoiced. All right, last one. I'm doing it again. Here we go. More than one cot. More than one cot. Okay, if you don't have it, you better pause me and play me when you're ready. Add that suffix S, more than one cot. Cots, cots. Hey, that was an unvoiced S, cots. Remember, if you had trouble reading a word like cots, you can always cover your S up and read your base word. Cot, cot, more than one, cots. Okay, Erase all of it. Erase the back of your mat really, really good. You can use that for your dry erase marker board if you need to. And you can put your lid on your marker. Make sure it clicks. Did you hear it click? Let's do it again. Listen to it. Hear it click? You know your lid's on good when it clicks. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful rest of the day. Goodbye. Maybe goodbye.